Time now for an investing session. We are joined by Jennifer Freymark. She's with Edward Jones with her market perspective. So thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Jennifer, a lot of people are talking about the R word, recession, but you actually say it's more fatigue than recession where we are headed.
That's right. So we're seeing more of a market fatigue than an actual recession. We haven't seen any of those changes in the market quite yet that signal a recession, such as maybe the inverse of the yield curve and also the Fed raising rates and kind of causing that recession. We have not seen that yet.
Are the fundamentals, in your mind, still strong with the economy?
We are still seeing strong fundamentals. It may not feel like that every day watching TV, but we are seeing still strong fundamentals.
What do you think about the manufacturing sector?
So we've seen some slowdown in manufacturing, but there are some other good things. We're still seeing good consumer spending because we're actually at an all-time low for unemployment. We're at a 49-year low, and we've also seen wages increase the most actually in the last 10 years. So that all points to good signs for consumer spending.
But are you concerned, Jennifer, at all about global growth, because we are seeing signs of slowing down in China?
That is a concern. So China is our biggest one, so that is one area of concern.
Jennifer, I also want to ask you just about investing tactics here. What would you be doing?
Sure, so this is a really good time to have a diversified portfolio. If you're in mutual funds, you're already going to be diversified, but if you're individual stocks, this may be a good time to look at where you are industry specific and maybe make some shifts. If you feel like a recession is coming, that's a good time to maybe go more into like consumer staples over something like consumer discretionary, where if we see that recession coming, people are going to spend less on those big ticket items, but we're still going to need our day-to-day items.
Are you involved at all in the emerging markets and just some of the other places around the world?
Emerging markets is an okay place to be, but that's going to be very high risk. So if you want some emerging markets, maybe put it in a mutual fund, but keep it a lower percentage, and also maybe not make individual investments.
Thank you so much for coming on the show today and for your insights.
Thank you so much for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.